Hey, it's Todd again. I'm processing, that this old barn wood right here, and over there you can see some finished pieces. But I'm a huge fan of Grizzly, and I've replaced a lot of my older equipment for Grizzly equipment, and I just wanted to show you as a quad where I've got limited hand use, uh, how easy it is to run the G0959 Grizzly 12-inch planer joiner. So, and on top of that, I'm using the 1.5 horse dust collector. So I'll do a video, do a couple of quick runs, and sorry about the noise, but here we go. Always wear safety equipment too. All right. Hopefully this is going to show up good, but this is what it looks like before, and I've got it set at like 330 seconds on the cut with the helical head, but this is what you get after. I mean, it feels like, I mean, it's been sanded with 300 grit sandpaper, but all of these are getting cut up where I'm building a fold out kitchen table for the cabin, and where my buddy and partner does a lot of the work that I can't do on the cabin, where I can't climb a ladder or anything, but I'm able to stay ahead by the things that are under 6 feet. But I'll make sure to do a video after it's all said and done, and let you see what the table looks like. Please hit the thumbs up and subscribe and tell your friends. God bless.